This video demonstrates how to change build settings, and build a project using our X671 device in eSquare Studio. In Project Explorer, right-click at the project, and select C++ Project Settings. In Properties window, go to C++ Build, Settings, and select the Tool Settings tab. The compiler, assembler, linker, library generator, and converter settings can be changed in this tab. The include path for header file can be added in compiler, source. To enable, disable debugging information output, check, uncheck the box, outputs debugging information under compiler, object. To change optimization level for compiler, select the expected level, from the list, optimization level, under compiler, optimization. Section can be added or removed under linker section. Standard library can be added or removed, by selecting the options, under Library Generator, Standard Library. To change optimization level when compiling the standard library, select the expected level from the list, optimization level, under Library Generator, Optimization. To generate the hex file, check the expected output file type, under Converter, Output. Go to the Tool Chain tab, and set the tool chain version. Click Apply and Close to close the window. Right-click at the project, and select Build Project to build the project. The console panel shows Build Finished, with 0 errors message to indicate a successful build.